at Lake Mead. We're jet skiing. There's my jet ski, just chilling, waiting for me to take it out. Quentin's out there. I don't know if you can see him. We've got a janky little setup right here. There's my life jacket, because safety first always. And yeah, we're out here having a lake day. As you can see, there's nobody around, literally. So that's good. We're social distancing still, and just having a lake day. Oh, I just almost ate shit, and I'm glad I did it.